The management efficiency and the fuel and chemical terminals process's full control guarantees a huge competitive advantage based on safety, optimization, traceability, and operation cost reduction. With that in mind, we developed Autoload, a system that allows real-time management of the fuel and chemical terminals and guarantees an efficient and safe operation. Based on Microsoft.NET and ODBC SQL database tools, Autoload provides wide connectivity, friendly interface through off-the-shelf solutions, as well as the integration with several ERP systems. Processing in real time through communication drivers to several field devices such as presets, truck weigh scales, access control units, programmable logic controller, tank telemetry systems, and valve actuators, as well as ERPs, Autoload was designed based on a modular architecture aiming to achieve a wide range of customer needs. Autoload basic modules are registering, scheduling, queue control, access control, loading and unloading control, process control, inventory, reports. That's how it works. Issuing loading-unloading program. It all starts by issuing either the loading or unloading program, which can be carried out in Autoload, in the ERP, or in both, in a redundant way, by inserting the following as minimum requirements: vehicle identification, driver identification, number of compartments, product and quantity of loading or unloading by compartment, number of strap tags for strapping the compartment closed, name of the client or supplier associated with each compartment, arrival to the terminal, check sequence at the access control unit as he approaches his card or types in the license plate number. Then he enters his password. The system analyzes the loading or unloading program, and in case it has been previously scheduled, the driver waits for his call to be displayed on the driver's lounge call monitor. Terminal entrance. After being authorized, the driver will conduct the truck to the entrance gate, where identification, either by card or by typing the license plate, will again be necessary. The system sends an open command to the respective gate and informs the driver through the control access unit display where to go, weight scale, or loading gantry. In the entrance, a ticket will be issued informing the position in the loading-unloading gantries the truck has to be, products and quantities to be loaded, and the quantity of seals that will be given to the truck's driver. Autoload allows reading barcode of the seals in order to print the invoice. Weighing operation. At the access control unit, the driver should identify himself so that Autoload registers the truck weight before the loading or unloading operation starts. Loading and unloading gantry. At the loading gantry, the driver parks the truck as per the loading-unloading printed ticket indication. Then he grounds the vehicle, aligns the loading arm for top loading, or aligns the loading hose for bottom loading-unloading, and then types in his identification. Based on the loading-unloading program, Autoload identifies the products and the quantities to be transferred for each compartment and enables the operation startup. At the end of the operation, the ERP receives all the data. Order number of loading and unloading scheduling, start and end time for each operation assigned to each compartment, ordered quantity and loaded quantity, dose quantity of additive and marker, temperature and density, source tank and destination tank of the products, exit weight scale. The program will define whether the vehicle shall be weighed after loading or unloading. If so, the driver should identify himself so that Autoload will register the weight of the truck after the loading or unloading operation. Exit gate. The exit authorization is granted after identification. After that, Autoload opens the gate to and prints out the ticket, which contains preset volume, actual operation volume, and the weight of the truck. In case the driver is not authorized to leave, Autoload displays the authorization denial message on the access control unit screen. Loading-unloading ships. For loading and unloading ships, Autoload executes the operation registry, collecting values from the metering stations and comparing data between them and data acquired from the tank telemetry system. Inventory control and calculation. Autoload connects to the tank telemetry system, and based on the tank strapping table and the stored product density, it provides the following information: inventory calculation, product movement, tank operation, gross volume, net volume, pump control. Integrated to a programmable logic controller, Autoload manages the pump park, optimizing its operational performance and energy efficiency. The system starts and stops pumps according to the loading demands and as per the operating pump's shifting procedure. Tank valves control. Autoload also connects the valve actuator's telemetry system, assisting on the manual and automatic tank operation. Reports. Autoload provides several report samples designed to help the terminal operation management and traceability. According to the modules acquired, the report samples can be the following: loading and unloading, vehicle's entrance and exit, initial and final cumulative value, loading and unloading program and order, system alarms and events, system audit report, transferring elapsed time, inventory, mass balance, transferring per tank. Now you know all features and advantages of Autoload. These characteristics allow Autoload to be implemented in terminals with different process and product movement capacities. Contact and request a quotation that best suits your company needs. Autoload, a full management tool for fuel and chemical products loading or unloading terminals.